Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to make the easiest, simplest, cheapest garden fertilizer that you're ever going to use. Stay with us and see how we do it. Hey everyone, thanks for being here, and we want you here on a permanent basis, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like the video. But today we're here in front of our comfrey patch. Comfrey is an incredible medicinal herb. It has a ton of other purposes, and we've actually used it to make a comfrey salve. You can check out that video right here, or over here, wherever that thing appears on the screen. It also has a ton of other uses. One of those uses, and a really great use for it, is a fertilizer for your garden. Now, comfrey is what's called a bioaccumulator, in that it mines up a lot of different minerals into and transfers them to its leaves, and it goes really deep into the ground to do that. So unlike some other yard clippings that you can use as this type of fertilizer, comfrey is that much better. But be careful, because comfrey is much stronger. You're going to dilute it more, and we're going to talk about that at the end of the video. You're going to dilute it more if you want to use it as a foliar spray or as a liquid fertilizer. So let's get into it. Let's show you how we do this, and it's really very easy. Essentially, we're just going to clip off the leaves of the comfrey plant, and we're going to take those. And we want to do an even distribution so we don't kill one plant, although everything springs up from the roots on comfrey, so it's fairly hard to kill, and it's a very prolific grower. So as you can see, it is far away from our garden here. But what we are going to do is simply chop it up. We cut it with a pair of shears, and we get more surface area. We chop it up as much as we can, and we put it here in a simple 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so over the course of the week that this has been sitting out, since we chopped up those leaves and put it in that water, we have stirred it about once a day. What you want to do is give it a good stir once a day to promote anaerobic breakdown, get some oxygen into the water. That'll help break things down better than just letting an anaerobic situation take place and all of the matter just sit on the bottom and decompose. Now, it's really important to leave this bucket on the top because it stinks. It's really smelling. If you're doing this in the city and you've got neighbors next to you, you want to eliminate that smell as much as possible, because it does smell like manure. It's breaking down of biological matter, and when that happens and you leave it outside in the sun and you get heat to it, it really puts off a potent smell. Oh, that is beautiful, and there is hardly any matter left. It has all been transferred into the water. All those nutrients are transferred into the water. So one important thing to do is to strain this out. You can use whatever matter is left in the bottom and just throw it in your garden. That's fine. Basically everything, all the good stuff, has transferred itself into the water. But if you're going to use this as a foliar spray and use it in a sprayer, then you really need to strain this out and get this the chunks out of here, or else you're just going to clog up your sprayer. So what we've got here is another 5-gallon bucket, and what we've done is we just took a piece of screen and threaded some wire through it, tied it off on the top, and that's going to act as our strainer for this. You can see that there is not much left at all from all of those leaves that I chopped up and placed in there. All right, now we're ready to head to our garden with our mixture. And remember to mix that comfrey at a 15-to-1 ratio. Guys, it's free. All you got to do is acquire the comfrey, a little water, you're all set. That comfrey will grow forever. Don't forget to grow it away from your garden though, because it is quite prolific and it'll take over really quickly. We're very thankful that you are here with us on the channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found the information here helpful. which I hope you did. Share us on social media, and don't forget to go visit us over on countrylivingexperience.com, read our blog, check out our tool store. We've got a lot of tools that we recommend, especially this Chapin sprayer here, which works incredibly well. We've got 2 sprayers we recommend. We also have a video on that. Go check that out. We'll link that at the end of the video. So, thank you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.